Welcome. I'm going to go over the Simply45 pass-through connectors product tutorial. So what we have here is we've done a few things that are unique to the industry. Is we color-coded our pass-through mod plugs. It'll be easier to identify. It's a great way to save time on any type of tech support. So first we're going to go Cat 5e. This will be a blue tint connector. It's also going to have a strain relief, and the strain relief has trim rings on it. So these can be trimmed to different diameter cable. It can also be, if you're in a tight clearance issue, you can also trim those. Next would be Cat 6. Cat 6 will have a greenish tint. And again, the strain relief will have the trimmable rings, and that'll fit any brand of cable necessary. Next we will do the Cat 6A unshielded twisted pair. This will be a reddish tint. This strain relief as well will have trimmable rings, so this will allow you to do any brand of wire. Next we have the Cat 5e shielded connector. This also has the trimmable rings on the strain relief, so you can do any brand of wire. Another thing we've also done is we have taken the tool. To make the tool very reliable, we've gone ahead and used a solid steel head. You will find no plastic in here. This tool is extremely durable, and the fact that it's all solid steel, it has a laser groove so the blade travels in perfect alignment every time, so when you do get your cut, it's going to be perfect flush every time. You also want to make sure if this tool is left in a truck through weather conditions, your blade may pit, corrode, whatever. It's very important that you always keep a new blade on your tool. You want to get the perfect flush cut every time. So the Simply45 system is a great way to go. It's very easy to do and can save a lot of labor on terminating.